Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you not so good a news as we try to do normally. So for those that have got a keen eye or have possibly tried to use the feature, you'll notice that we've disabled PayPal on our website. And for the time being, certainly, and I suggest this is the death knell for it, we're not accepting PayPal payments. Now, before people freak out, because I know this one is slightly controversial, there's people that love PayPal and there's people that really don't love PayPal even slightly.
It splits the community a bit.
It really does. There is a really good reason why we've done it. So PayPal have advised us yesterday that they are no longer providing a seller's guarantee for bullion or precious metals or coins. So whereas before, when things have gone pear-shaped, they've covered the buyer with a buyer guarantee. And so long as we've done the right thing, you know, we can provide correct tracking and all that sort of stuff, they've covered the seller with their seller guarantee so that both sides of the equation actually knew that they were covered by an independent third party. Well, the indication they've given us now is that they're no longer going to do that. So that leaves us completely exposed to all sorts of vagaries, and anyone who gets things shipped to them knows that things disappear in that process on a occasional basis. So it's just created way too much risk for the company. So we've made a corporate decision to pull the pin on PayPal and not accepting it, at least for now. But like I said, as I fully expect this to be a permanent answer, that we won't accept them anymore. Now, on the flip side of that is we have introduced Pay ID. So it means that I know Pay ID is not a complete replacement for it, so don't jump on me straight away. But we have introduced Pay ID into the shop and onto the web now, so you can make instantaneous payments that way. You don't have to rely on PayPal to make that instantaneous payment, so you make sure it's paid immediately. And we are also exploring currently other avenues to replace PayPal as well. So stick with us. It's going to be a few months of bumps if you're a PayPal payer, but we certainly hope within 2 or 3 months to have a viable alternative for you. So apologies for anyone that inconveniences or drives nuts. It's just one of those things that we've had to do when a company decides that there are repercussions, and in this case it's taken us out of the equation. So if you've got any questions, please make the comments below. You can send us an email, sales@bullionnow.com.au. You can give us a call within Australia, 1300 84 84 10, or you can come into the store, level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne, and discuss anything that you wish to discuss along these sort of lines further with us, and we'll give you the best answer we possibly can. That's it for now. We will talk again very, very soon. See ya.